Foolish man from a...
Little boy, come here. Where did you get that bottle from? Where did you pick this bottle from?
I picked it from the dustbin.
From the dustbin? Which dustbin? This bottle looks very, very familiar.
Familiar?
Yes. Which dustbin?
That dustbin, down that place, that dustbin.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Will you go? Go. I said go.
Okay, sir, I'm going.
Don't touch it. It's fine.
Williams, as I'm putting you inside this bottle, you shall not know peace. You will never recognize peace. And so shall you remain forever. Idiot! Foolish man from a useless family.
Keep beating him. Keep beating him.
Good for nothing human being.
Of course.
Peace.
Nonsense human.
I'm talking to you and you're looking at me. On your knees.
Will you do that?
Go down.
Are you out of your senses? What is going on?
Jesus.
What is
Why am I even on rag?
Did you just slap me?
And why is my head?
Did you just slap me?
How dare you slap me? Are you out of your senses? Mr. Franks.
Jesus.
Are you supporting your wife?
What is going on here?
Why is your wife slapping me?
Did you just call my name?
No.
Baby, hold your mad dog.
just call my name?
Hold your mad brother. He's a madman.
Me mad?
He's
You're a madman now.
Me mad?
But you're
Frank, even you calling me your elder brother mad.
But you've always been mad.
Your brother's madness is increasing. Oh, you have to change. Let's change him. Go and get me changed. Go and get me changed.
Don't leave me. If you don't leave my hands, I will disembark your head from your body now, right now. Are you out of your senses?
What is going on?
Mr. Frank, so you, my younger brother is calling me a madman.